we'll guide you through how to host your website for free on Netlify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Look for the New Site from Git button and click on it. This will allow you to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to Netlify. Choose the platform where your site's repository is hosted. You'll be prompted to authorize Netlify to access your repositories. After granting access, select the repository you want to deploy. Now, Netlify will detect your build settings automatically, but if you need to specify a build command or directory, you can do so in this step. Make sure to review these settings, then click Deploy Site. Netlify will start building your site, and in a few moments, your site will be live with a default Netlify URL. You can customize this URL by clicking on Site Settings and then Domain Management. If you have a custom domain, you can add it here. Just follow the instructions to configure your DNS settings if necessary. One great feature of Netlify is its continuous deployment. Any changes you push to your connected repository will automatically trigger a new build and deploy your updated site. Remember, you can also add environment variables and manage site settings through the dashboard. Netlify's dashboard is intuitive and provides various options to enhance your site, such as adding forms, functions, and even analytics. Hosting with Netlify is not only free, but also incredibly efficient and scalable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.